This was the trade I took yesterday, trading Euro USD, and although it might look like a win, this was actually a loss, and I'm going to be giving full transparency. Most transparent day trader on YouTube right here. So that's today. I might not trade today. There's 3:30 p.m. news, Euro bank holidays, Thursday as well. But yeah, there was 10 p.m. core PPI month to month and PPI month to month. Didn't really care about that. Then each session, New York and Asia did not do too much. We had New York, a bit of down moves, but then we ended up consolidating, went down a little bit. Asia session consolidation. I don't like this being yellow. Let's change it to red. Oh, you're funny. GU. Similar. GU New York session went up. Yeah, I remember now. So this was a bit strange. EU's going down, GU's going up. 4 hour, I wasn't really looking at it too much. It was bearish though, on both pairs. Mainly looking at pre-market price action. So pre-market, EU drops down, breaks out of the consolidation, breaks below Asia low, breaks below New York low, forming a fair value gap. GU sweeps Asia high, breaks down to Asia low. Then market opens and there's a huge up candle. I'm thinking, alright, we could be going bullish because GU had the bullish kind of Asia session, New York session. Then on EU, price was just filling this 5-minute fair value gap that was formed below the low. And then price didn't break structure on GU, so along with these down moves out of the gap, I'm like, alright, we can go short from this pre-market, bang, fill that fair value gap. And then, pretty simple. And then, what happened? Price broke structure here. I was gonna go short. Bang, 2 pip stop. Can target anywhere here. Same take profit would have been 1 to 5. And then, I went on to the 1 hour. And I looked for some possible take profits, marked them out, zoomed back in, and then price was all the way down here. And that was incredibly annoying. But I can just look for another trade, right? And then that's exactly what happened. 1 minute, oh, it didn't even hit equilibrium. Okay. So this was a 5-minute gap that we could have entered out of. Then there's this 1 minute fair value gap. And then this box is a 5-minute fair value gap. Price came up. Oh damn, I didn't enter off of this. I entered off of just the 1 minute gap. Just here. Came up into this 1 minute gap, good moves out, closed below this low. Damn. And then, what happened on my broker, my stop loss is up here, it didn't actually get hit on TradingView. it's showing that it actually won. But on my broker, this high was here. So I put stop loss at this high right here. And then what happened is this candle actually came up and made equal highs right on my stop loss. So I got stopped out. And then, yeah. That is it's just so annoying, bro. But there is obviously lessons in the losses. There was a 5-minute gap that I could have entered off of, and in hindsight, this 1 minute up move isn't that great. Didn't even come into equilibrium. But obviously, there's a bit of FOMO at play here, and I guess when it came into there, maybe could have entered down here. Damn, bro, that's just. And I only have 2 trades left on the 10K funded before it reaches the max drawdown. So one of them I'm gonna have to win, but yeah, I guess that is just annoying. And then there was more trades within here. 1 minute EQ. Could have taken that. Would have hit. Another 1 minute equilibrium. Could have taken that. Maybe that. Bang. Smacked. But yeah, after that, and then I just hopped off because I already missed that move basically. A bit disappointed, but what I learned from that is if I see that, if I'm up here, I see that, just get the stop loss, 2 pips. Alright, now I know what to risk. Click sell, and then look for take profits. Because I could have easily hit a 1 to 5 today. Yesterday. Man, that is just so. That's so annoying, but whatever. Let's see. Yeah. What else did I learn from that? I'm not sure, to be honest. But yeah, these last couple trades, I've been on it. I've been able to win, but I haven't made profit. Either like I'm following my plan too strictly, or I'm just like not using my brain. Like, I don't know, this. Anyways, I'm not gonna get disappointed. There are still countless opportunities every day in the markets, and if I'm not learning from them, being transparent with you guys, sharing them. I don't know why this is so bright. It's not even bright outside. Yeah, being transparent and all that is gonna help me learn from them, learn from my mistakes, and then in the future, if I get scam allegations like TJR, this is all just evidence, documentation, and if this helps one person, then I'll be happy. Yeah, I guess just could have entered off of that 5-minute gap. Literally bang right there. Just click sell and then find the take profits. As long as there's still draws on liquidity. If you have like major draws on liquidity marked out and they get swept, then maybe do that. But we're already below New York low, which is the draw on liquidity for London session. So yeah. Anyways, another day to trade. Today I might not trade. Probably look at the markets. And yeah, that was the position. Yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.